In primetime news this evening, alleged gang leader Dogpaw freed from 15-year sentence by appeal court. Central Westmoreland MP George Wright questioned by police regarding assault allegations.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking what has been your experience or the experience of others you know in reporting sexual harassment or sexual assault to the police. You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.